Welcome to the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Colorado ZR2, power windows, locks, and mirrors, automatic headlights. Vehicle does have your 4x4 dial and integrated trailer braking system, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, nice thick leather-wrapped steering wheel, keyed ignition. We do have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation settings, Bose audio. We have single zone climate control, traction control. We have front and rear locking differentials with heated seats, as well as the leather-wrapped shift knob and the all black interior. We have the leather heated seats with ZR2 branding on the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, ZR2 branded rims only, with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, the Multimatic DSSV spool sensitive dampening system, Chevy performance shocks all around, crew cab truck, Colorado up front. We do have the lift kit as well, the factory lift on the ZR2, making that room in the wheel wells there for those big wheel and tire packages, performance shocks all the way around. Front cut bumpers as well for the better angles, let those tires grab, full skid plates as well as red tow hooks, the redesigned front grille, halogen light bulbs as well. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, crew cab truck, ZR2 branding. At the rear, trailer tow package as well as a backup camera, your Chevrolet ZR2 branded tailgate with your bumper cuts as well for those better departure angles. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Sliding rear window with defrost. All the Colorados have the solid roof over top with dome lighting. USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. This is the crew cab truck, so tons of room for the rear passengers, no matter how tall or short. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.